Drugs contaminating Ontario water. Illegal drugs such as morphine, oxycodone, cocaine, and other prescription drugs traces were located in discharged wastewater treatment plants. It has a possible chance of contaminating drinking water. This is McGill University. Researchers at McGill University found traces of drugs in Ontario's drinking water. This was discovered on July 23, 2015. This is Vivian Yargo. She is a chemical engineering professor at McGill University.
How drug got into water, people take pills, their body absorbs some of the medication, but the rest of it passed through and flushed down the toilet.
This is also caused by people attempting to dispose of their medications by dumping it into the drain. There are very minimum quantities, therefore not allowing the drinking water to affect people drinking it. Although the study did not measure the drug's impact on the ecosystem, researchers do believe that the exposure of these substances could alter the fish population.
Researchers also believe that it can also affect fish's behavior.
If the wastewater treatment plant, which is kind of intense treatment that we do to remove these contaminants, is not able to fully remove the compound, we should not expect the environment to remove it fully, said Vivian Yargo, chemical engineering professor at McGill University, and one of the study's authors.
A remedy to try to decontaminate the water is at the treatment plant. They basically filter the water passing through.
Although this didn't work because there are still extremely small traces of certain drugs in the system. Another important thing that researchers try to get people to know how to prevent drugs in our waterways not to reoccur again is not to flush drugs or medications down the drain. Even though this is complicated, most agencies and pharmacies have recommended this option before, but people still flush their drugs down the drain in an option to dispose of it. They also recommend to return unused drugs or medications to a pharmacy to properly dispose it, so the waterways don't get contaminated.